Guys, it's raining outside. Just finished some food. Waiting for it to clear up before we can go skate. But we are at the arcades. We're at time zone right now. Gonna shoot some hoops. Next game. Alright. Wait. Wait. You wanna go? Yeah.
YouTube. Kena.
Karaoke. You, I can't sing for shit. Next time, better luck next time.
That one, perfect.
Switch.
Switch.
Hey, skate nerd.
Yes! First time.
And you have the next one. The famous pyramids over here. We finished up at the arcade. Not much to do right now. Still waiting for the rain.
Mimi.
The rain to completely stop. So been burning some energy. Gonna go over to this spot over here. What's this called again? Pipeline?
IT Park? Oh, pipeline.
Pipeline, yeah. Just at the back here, they got like billiard tables and stuff. So Bisaya, they're bilingual. They speak Bisaya and English because it's IT Park. Guys, pipeline isn't open right now, so we're just going to go grab a beer and get a photo. Well, we had a photo like earlier in this year. Just going to recreate an old photo. Yeah. Alright guys, this is the photo. We're going to go same spot. What do we have in this? It is 2 red horses, isn't it? I don't know if I could do a red horse today. Not after the other night, I'm telling you. We're going to recreate this photo. We're going to get a stranger to take a photo, because that's last time I just asked some chick walking past to take this photo. So this is called Harrison Park, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this whole place, yeah. Couple of bars down here and like street food, stuff like that. Carinderia, yeah. We're going to find some beers and then come back to the spot. The spot is right behind us over there. Yeah, this is what the street looks like, guys. Oh, actually, Frank, I'm just going to go across the road. Oh, actually, no, come back. Yeah, this is good. Like, if you guys want cheaper food, just outside of IT Park. Places like this, local Filipino food, stuff like that. It's like candy heaven. The classic Skyflakes, the traveler's snack. Miss. That. She's pretty jacked, eh? Alright, so we have the drinks. Now we have to find someone to take the photo, and then we'll compare the 2 photos. Alright, so this is the spot. Drinks are ready. We just need to find a girl to take the picture. And yep. that's literally it. Can I ask you a question? No, I just need your help with something. She didn't want to help at all.
She's shy.
Shy guy, you. These guys over here are just watching us. The security's all over it. He's crossing the road.
It's okay natin. Like picture kami dire.
Guys, mission accomplished. We're gonna go sink a couple of beers now. Alright, we are currently out on the bike. We decided to leave IT Park. We're gonna head over to Mandaue City. Still raining a whole bunch. But we're gonna meet up with Shorty Clips, Dave from Shorty Clips. Maybe have a couple more drinks, maybe get some food around that area. Oh, what's up, dude? How are you, man? Guys, so much traffic out here at the moment. Heaps of rain. Took us a little longer to get here, but yeah. How are you, brother? Yeah, let's go get a drink. How old is it?
Dire nga side dire.
Amen.
Sige mo kan ko. Water ko. Just follow them.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, mate. Busy, bro. One.
Busy, I can skate.
No skating. Hopefully tomorrow, but no, we're just gonna see.
Talisay?
Yeah, come tomorrow. Yeah, I want to do some giveaways. I brought some skateboards here, but they.
What giveaways?
I had some boards, but cash giveaway and just some t-shirts, skate dad stuff. Yeah.
T-shirt? Kid Tuts?
Yeah, I got a Ken Toots shirt, bro. I got like 5 to give away. Skate dad's one. Yeah. Alright, this place is hustling. Look at this street here. Hustle and bustle.
My friend, Jim Bastard.
Oh, Jimbo. What's your name?
Jim Bastard.
Okay, ako Ken, man.
Nickname. Shaka Kamuri.
Yeah?
So many names.
Alright, this is cool. Heaps of street food here. Guys, I think this is the spot. Got the barber shop here. I might need a little trim later on. Oh, there he is. Trying to find a spot for the scooter. Is this where you live? Is this his place?
No.
Oh no, this is his spot.
Drinking place.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, we need a drink. It's been a couple hours.
I don't know.
It's like anime. Guys, we got little karaoke rooms in here as well.
Shower clip. Ini juga nih. Ini yang Same, this.
Oh, what's that one? Same Action 5. Yeah, these are good, man. Very good quality. Guys, here in the Philippines, when they're drinking, finished our little drink. Gonna go head to another bar.
Biggest battle in the Cebu. Yes.
Right, boys. See you soon. Take care, huh? Thanks, bro. Well, nice to meet you, JM. I'll talk to you.
GM.
Harrison Park. Yeah, guys, we are at Harrison Park. Been kind of hopping around tonight, but yeah, this is a good spot. Convenience store right over here. Super close to Fuente, and then like local foods cheap, like meats and stuff like that. More like barbecue grill. Gonna go in, have another beer, and take this helmet off, bro. Yeah, so you just like pretty much pick out whatever you want to eat if you're hungry, and just like, yeah, they'll cook it up right here, which is really good. Convenience store over here, get some drinks, sort of like chill area. And then the outside area as well. Oh yeah, it's pretty spacey. Sometimes they have bands here and stuff like that. I've been here like once or twice before.
Eight. Hanging rice, bro. There's no rice. Just
Also,
the.
check it out, guys. They'll cook it right in front of you too. It's all our meat on there at the moment. Well, you can't see me in there. It's all our meat on there at the moment, guys.
It's like meat. Wait. Uy.
So,
Ewan ko mo hikap, anak. Baka ulit.